Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Zoom account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to delete your Zoom account, firstly open your Google search. Type in deleting Zoom account and make a search. Click on the first link shown on the page. Scroll all the way down to How to Terminate Your Account section and tap on Zoom Web Portal. Scroll down and click on Terminate My Account. On the next page, enter your password to delete your account and click on Continue. This is how you can delete your Zoom account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.